Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the Motion Array plugin installed now, download the package and unzip if needed. Once done, run the installer or copy the plugin file into Premiere Pro's Extensions/Plugins folder, and make sure your Premiere version matches the plugin's requirements. You should also back up your active project before enabling anything new. Restart Premiere to register the plugin. After restart, open Window Extensions or Effects to verify the Motion Array panel appears, then proceed immediately to importing. You now import and apply a Motion Array template. Open the Motion Array panel, find a template, and drag it directly onto your timeline. When placed, replace image and text placeholders by selecting the layer and using the Essential Graphics or Effect Controls panel. Once applied, tweak core properties, duration, scale, position, and color controls to match your sequence. Use keyframes for motion changes, set start and end values, then ease in or out for a natural look. Make incremental saves so you can revert quickly. Finish by customizing and prepping for export. Render the timeline to confirm smooth playback and create proxies if your machine struggles. Nest sequences or render in and out sections to preserve plugin animations and lock tracks once satisfied. When exporting, choose a codec and preset that match delivery specs. Use maximum render quality for motion-heavy graphics. If something breaks, clear Premiere's media cache and relaunch. This often resolves missing assets or panel errors. If the plugin still fails, reinstall the Motion Array plugin and relink assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.